Hello everyone, this is XhoTech. Welcome to this channel. So let's start. In this video today I am gonna talk about VSDC, which is one of the best video editing software, okay, in my opinion, and which is also free, most importantly. Okay, so anyone can use it, and for so many purposes it can be useful. Okay, so firstly I'm going to show you how you can get this software if you haven't installed it yet. Okay, so first open any browser of your choice and just search for VSDC free video editor download. You will get this first link. Click on it and this page will appear. Here you can see for 64-bit PC and 32-bit PC both are available. So according to your system you can download your installer file. Okay, so for my case it is 64-bit, so when you click it, it will get downloaded. After download is complete, click on this exe file and just follow the steps. You can install this very easily. So I am skipping this part as I have already installed. Okay, so after finishing installation, let's open the software, how it looks. Okay, yes, it's opening. Now we got it. This is the home screen, you can see, and there are lots of features if you can check. Okay, some of them obviously are for pro version, like you can upgrade to pro version also. So in my opinion, no need to upgrade it to pro version. If you want, you can do it, but whatever the features is there in free edition, it is more than enough. Okay, so you will not have any problem editing any video. Okay, so you can see you can capture screen also with this software. That's great. So let's start with a project. So here, to start a project you need to create a blank project, or you can create a new project here. And if you want to open already saved previously project, here is the option for open project. Okay, so now we are creating a new project. You can click here or here also, so you can fill these fields according to your wish, project's name, author, anything, but as of now I don't need it, so let's finish it. Yes, so this is the basic editing window. Okay, so there are lots of tools and options. You can see a bit confusing, right? So don't worry, I will make it easy for you one by one. So this is the basic look, and actually the best part of the software is here in export project. So what I like the most is you can edit any video and it can be converted into any form of these so many options. So after editing a video, if you want for a particular platform like this, you can just convert that video accordingly. It's very easily. Okay, so that is the very useful part. So let's come back to the editor. Okay, so now let's add a clip and play around with it, so you guys, you can understand how this software works and how easily it can be done. So to add or import a video clip here, this is the button. Okay, add video, you can see. Okay, so you need to click it and you can add any video. Let's suppose I am adding this sample one. Yes, add new layer. Okay, yes, now you can see the video is here. You can play with this button. Correct. Okay, so let's see what is the basic features. Here you can see option crop. If you want to crop a video, you don't want any part of the video, you can crop it out. Okay, so let's suppose if I am cropping it, I want to get a smaller version of it, only this part. Okay, yes, you get it. That's how you can crop your video. And another thing is you can adjust this video on the screen also, like these drag points. If there is a blank space like this, you can easily adjust with these drag points how your video will actually look like on the screen. Okay, so now let's have a look on basic editing window. Okay, at the right end you can see you can adjust these basic properties of any kind of video. Brightness you can increase, contrast you can increase, gamma, and whatever you want according to your requirement you can. This is very general window where you can actually adjust the brightness, contrast and all. Okay, you can add blur also in this image. Okay, so according to your requirement you can have all of this option here. Okay, if you want to undo any changes, just press Ctrl Z over here. Okay, so it will go in the previous steps to certain steps, not to the back. 3-4 steps you can like do like this, Ctrl Z, very basic. So let's see how we can basically add more clips or trim existing clip. Let's see. So first this video track should be selected. If the focus is outside you cannot do anything, so you need to select this video track. Okay, you can zoom in, zoom out also. Here the plus minus icon, so you can zoom in and zoom out. So for the minute editing this will be required. Okay, if the video clip is very small for few seconds, so you cannot cut it or like that if it is small, so you can expand it like this, zoom in, zoom out. Okay, so it should be selected first, then here you can see a blade icon, that means it is cut. Okay, and the cutting point is you can shift this bar over here. Let's suppose we want to have a cut at this point. Okay, so the bar should be placed here and then you can press on this icon, and now you look, the video is divided into 2 parts. Okay, now you actually, if you want to delete this first part, just click on it and you can press delete button, so the video is that part is getting deleted. Okay, so it's very easy. So the now video start from here. Okay, yes. And now let's see if you want to add another video track, you want to merge more than 2-3 tracks. Okay, so again you need to press this icon to import another video. Let's suppose we are adding sample 2 over here. Okay, and you will get option that insert to layer, insert new layer or add new layer. Okay, so if you do insert to layer, the video will be get inserted onto the same layer, and if you click on add new layer, it will create a new layer and the video will be added like this. Okay, and if you want to merge this, you just can easily hold it, double click on this video track and you can move it by your mouse. So now just place over here and these two video gets merged. It's very easy. So that's how you can just merge number of clippings. So this is how you can edit any video of your choice very easily. You can add to videos, you can cut it, you can trim it, you can adjust your brightness, contrast, everything. Okay, so I guess this video has helped you a lot. So thank you for watching and stay tuned to this channel because I'm gonna upload more tutorial videos on this VSDC. So thank you guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.